How to hide your username on an Instagram story. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to hide your username on an Instagram story. First, go to the Instagram app on your phone. Now reach the Profile tab and tap Edit Profile. Here, scroll down and select the Profile Display option. Make sure that the Display Category Label feature is disabled. Displaying contact info on your profile makes it easier for people to get in touch with you outside Instagram. When you turn this feature on, your info can be seen by anyone who taps the contact button. This could lead to unwanted or inappropriate contact. Next, go back to your profile and hit the plus icon in the center. After that, select the image that you want to post. Then, you can post this or add this to your story. To add a story, reach the home page and swipe towards the right side. Now choose the image and tap on the arrow at the bottom line. Lastly, hit the share button to hide your username on an Instagram story. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.